Hi, my name is Terkesa Wilson, and I am the owner of DelicacyCreations.com. Now, I know you like, why is she showing us baby diapers? First of all, let me tell you what I do. I create baby gifts. That's my heart. That is my passion. I love to create gifts for these babies. And the number one gift that I love to do is diaper cakes. Now, some of you may be familiar with diaper cakes, but if you're not, a diaper cake is simply usable diapers is transformed to look like a tiered cake. Okay? That's what a diaper cake is. It's just a way to give diapers as a gift. All right? Now, with that being said, diaper cakes has been out for so many years. So many years. And myself, I have been creating and making diaper cakes for years. However, it is 2021. We have been through so much, especially with this pandemic. It's time for an upgrade. It's time to see something that you probably have never seen before. I want to introduce you to the new and improved diaper cake. This is the new and improved, upgraded diaper cake. It's a diaper cake, yes, but it is turned up a notch. Look at them colors popping. Now, if you don't know me, my favorite color is black. So I threw a little bit of black in there to give it that boldness. Yes, this is made for baby boy twins. Yes, twin boys. Now, this particular diaper cake comes with a total of 92 diapers. That is a lot of diapers, but you got to keep in mind it's for two babies, okay? So I wanted to make sure the babies had enough diapers, okay? My regular diaper case comes with about 68 diapers, if I'm not mistaken. Look at them colors. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, if you would like to order a diaper cake from me, please visit my online store at www.delicacycreations.com, or you can make this diaper cake yourself. All you have to do is follow my online course called The Wow Factor, and I will show you step by step how to create this diaper cake. All right? Now, with that being said, please check out my other baby gifts that I have, and y'all have a good one.